Just jumping straight into this look, we're going in with the fine primer and we're putting that all over our face. Then we're taking this little mini Louise base and we are priming our eyes with this. I love going in with the Louise base because I just feel like it makes my eyeshadows look so much more brighter. And we're using the Louise Chill palette today. We're going in with these stunning blue shades here. Look at this palette. Stunning. So I'm just taking this first shade, which is called Sweater Weather, and it's this stunning light blue shade. And I'm just placing this all over my eyelid. Just excuse my voice in this video, by the way, I still do have a little bit of a sore throat, but I'm trying to push out as many looks as I can. I have had a little bit of a chest infection, so I sound a bit raspy. So that's what's going on. So I'm just basically winging out this look, and I'm doing a lighter blue in the inner corner and then a kind of darker pale blue on the outer corner, and I'm just winging that right out. I'm going to do like a kind of creative look today, so I'm going to add like snowflakes and stuff. So that is why we are doing it like this. So I'm now just taking the shade Look If Looks Could Chill, and I'm putting that in this kind of outer V area. Then I'm darkening that up with Take the Brisk, and I'm just kind of darkening up that outer V area, and I'm just dragging it right out because we're going to get quite creative and we're going to add some like snowflakes and snow and stuff here. So what I'm doing now is I'm just adding a little bit of a mixing medium, and I'm using the She's Sharp eyeshadow, and I'm just creating like a glittery eyeliner, and that's what I've done here for a little liner. Again, I'm just going back in with the Take the Brisk eyeshadow, and I'm just darkening up that outer area. Now we're just going in with the fine face brushes because I really wanted to test them out this day, and I'm just taking a little bit of foundation and I'm just putting that all over my face. Foundation that I'm using is the Rimmel Last and Finish foundation. I absolutely love it. I'm also taking the fine concealer in the shade 5, and we're just going in with this. This concealer is fantastic and it's so full coverage, so I highly recommend it for any of you full coverage girlies. Again, we're just using all these brushes to try and test them out. Guys, look how much of this powder I've got left. This is a Peaches setting powder and I'm running out. I'm absolutely devastated about it, but just look how smooth my skin looks after you apply this powder. It is fantastic, and I love these little powder puff things as well. Just come back in with this little brush just to try and get a feel for it. They are really good actually. It just felt strange going from like my Peaches brushes to the fine ones, so yeah, it takes a little bit of getting used to. Now I'm just going in with the nude eyeliner from Fine. I don't know the actual name of it, I just know it's like the nudie peachy one. And I'm dragging that light blue shade under my eye and just kind of blending it all out so that I've got room to draw on the snowflakes. Now I didn't have a white liner, or at this point in time I couldn't find one. So I've took the Louise water activated paints in the shade white, and I've just used that as liner. I've also used it as mascara because, again, don't know where my white mascara is, or I just don't own one, so couldn't use it, so I just put that on my lashes. And here I am just drawing on some little snowflakes. I've seen this look a few times, and yeah, I've seen a couple of girls do it now with gems and stuff, and I was just feeling miserable this day and I just wanted to create something. So it's not my best work, still a little bit shaky because I was coughing and stuff all through the video. Even though I've kind of edited that out, you don't really get to see it, but you can tell with my eyes because my eyes are still super red. But yeah, I just wanted to do something kind of frosty and fun because the weather recently has been really, really cold, and you can definitely tell it's winter time now. So yeah, I just wanted to do something fun and frosty. So here I am just drawing on some little snowflakes and just adding some snow and stuff around about them as well. And that is basically this look, guys. I don't do too much else. I do a little bit of a nude lip, which is just Peaches and Cream Praline lip liner with the Louise lip drip in the shade Frostbite, I think it is. So it's like a glittery lip drip. So I just put that over the top of it, and that is basically the lip. I just wanted to keep it quite plain, and I wanted the eyes to be as like frosty as I possibly could. But yeah, let me know if you guys try out this look, or if you guys have done any winter looks. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment, guys. It really does help me out. It's absolutely free. You do not have to pay for it. It's free to subscribe. It's free to support me. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.